Hey, hello guys, welcome to another episode of Wisdom Series with Ayobami. And I hope the past episode of this series has been of great help to you. I'm seeing your comments and I want to celebrate Zainab. If you're watching this right now, thank you for dropping comments on almost all the videos, telling me how you're learning, telling me how the power of obedience is working for you, the power of uniqueness is working for you. So if you're out there and you want to share how you're experiencing this and what it has done for you, just drop it in the comment section of each of the episode, and definitely I will get back to you in responding to that comment. All right, so today as we continue on this series, what we're going to be looking at here is what I call the power, as wisdom what relates to it though, the power of your environment. All right, the power of your environment. Now understand this: every purpose you have, every uniqueness you have, if they are not well aligned, properly placed in the place that it could nourish, there's possibility that it gets choked away, because there's not going to be nourishment, there's not going to be right fertilizer, right things that should make things germinate easily. So the following points I'm going to be giving to you are things that you should look out for when you are going on, or you should abide as you grow over time. Put this in your mind and understand that these things are what will help you out. So the first one we're looking at here is, to every environment you go into, there is a code of conduct that allows you to enter it or allows you to leave. All right, that allows you to enter it or to remain there. Definitely, if you're not following the code of conduct, you're going to be pushed out, right? That is one thing you must understand. Every area you're going to in life, there are principles that guide it. Either because you want to go high. Now imagine you want to go to the palace of the Queen of England. You can't just go shamelessly. You can't just enter there anyhow. There are code of conduct that must be followed for you to enter or even remain. And I'm going to be talking more on that when we advance to maybe like the 14th episode or thereabout, for you to understand what I'm talking about. But so stay on this series, don't leave. I have great values for you for the remaining days of this 30-day series. So understand that today, that to every environment that you want to go to, there is a code of conduct that allows you to go into the place and allows you to remain there. So think about it. Where do I want to be? Who are the top goons around there? Who are the top leaders? How did they get there? Who can I relate with? What did they know? What do I have to know? What are the principles that guides my industry, my business, my career, my finance, my relationship? Then when I get into this, how can I maintain it so that I can remain there? I can grow. Because if you enter business and you don't understand how business goes, possibly you get into the business, but you don't know how to grow it. You will get out of the market because technology is moving pretty fast. All right. So that is in the aspect of your environment. Another thing you must look out for is that make sure you are not in an environment that celebrates your weakness. And I call that the mediocre experience. You don't want to do that. Not at all. You don't want to do that. Don't be in an environment that celebrates your weakness. That they don't care if you're growing. They don't care if you're adding value. They just like, oh man, really good. And they celebrate your mediocrity. You don't want that. You want an environment that say, oh yes, this is good, but you can do better. Push on. Let me share my experience. All right, if Kafi is watching this right now, kudos to Kafi. And when I say Kafi, I mean Kafi Dance. Now about 2010, I was still in the dance industry, and there was this competition in AUN, American University of Nigeria, and we had a competition, and I was doing this solo dance with a friend. Her name is Ada. After dancing, Kafi, definitely everybody knows that we did well, but I love what Kafi said. She said, what was this? Like, what is this? Like, if you are to dance with a girl, you're supposed to be emotional, you're supposed to carry her along, you're supposed to connect, right? She could have clapped because the dance was beautiful, and the song was I'm trying to remember, trying to give you details. It's by Chris Brown. Nowhere, nowhere, right? And she was like, if you're dancing OA by Chris Brown, you ought to give the best back then, all right? Maybe I'm missing some dates, but check it out. So that is just it. All right? Don't be in a place that celebrates your mediocrity. Go to a place that what helps you build up. The last point that you want to look out for in this is that make sure you are in an environment that pushes you in becoming the best that you can be. Right? Now, what do I mean? There are places you're going to be physically right now that is not really going to be conducive for you to grow. But instead of you to focus on the environment, focus on your focus. I learned this from a father figure, Biodun Fatoyinbo. He said what? When you focus on your focus, you will become the focus. All right? Now, the environment you are right now might not be building you up, but don't look at the environment of touts around you, of people not clapping for you when you're doing good, or people not celebrating you, but focus on the focus of what you truly want to become. You know where you want to go, purpose. Then if your environment doesn't support that, maximize what I learned from Eric Thomas. Learn to surround yourself with the right resources, the books you read, the audio you listen to, the seminars you go. That you can control. Control what you can control today. So control your environment and don't let your environment control you. Because if you don't control your environment, other people will control your environment for you. I hope you got that. So that is the information for you today, and I hope you can keep building the right mindset for productivity, learning how to what? Take this wisdom series, wisdom keys I've been giving you to getting the results you truly need. And do me a favor, if you're watching this for the first time or you've not yet subscribed, click the link, I don't know where it is, but click the subscribe button right now and subscribe. Do me a favor also by liking, sharing, and also commenting. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you want to learn more. Let me know if you have a question based on the past episode, and I promise you that I'm going to get back to you. Definitely. All right? And see you next time on Wisdom Series with Ayobami. Do have a lovely one. I love you and God bless you. And I cannot end by not doing this. You see this, right? This is Positivity Tribe, and I want to say shout out to them for being so positive in this sphere. We need more of you, and I'll say we celebrate you. Thank you very much. Do have a lovely one. I love you guys and God bless you. Bye for now.